What is happening, BC Spirits? BC Spirits Spirit Day number 283. 283. I went and did a little bit of liquor store archaeology, is what I call it. Is I go to liquor stores outside my little bubble and check out what they have on the shelves. I found some fantastic stuff. This one, however, I can find anywhere. And that's the Goodridge and Williams Northern Grains. I don't know why I picked this one up, because I did the Western Grains recently, and I did the Northern Grains many months ago. Not on the show, but I think I did it in one of the episodes. So it's just a mash distilled from winter wheat and malted barley in northern British Columbia, and it's aged for 3 years and finished in French oak wine casks from BC's Okanagan Valley. So we're looking at wine notes, we're looking at high wheat notes. This one's a little bit different because it's not just a malted barley; it's a malted wheat as well. Yeah, so it's winter wheat and malted barley from northern British Columbia. I was thinking some different things on this one. Funky nose. Oh yeah, that French wine nose, that French oak, really coming through strong. Oh, very much so. I quite like this. Yes, very much so. 40.2. I would prefer it with a little bit higher, 42, 43%. But texturally, wheat is really hard. Like, I tasted a few wheat whiskeys in BC. Wheat is really hard to get a nice age to it, get some nice complexity to it. It's just a very bright, very aggressively bright flavor profile. And so I really want to try and taste some wheated whiskeys that have some depth, and this is definitely one of them. The malted barley is a beautiful backbone. That wheat is still singing, and then that red wine cask is just really finishing this off really nicely. Fantastic little number. Very nice. The French oak does immaculate things to it. Number 283, Goodridge and Williams Northern Grains. Really fantastic little number from Goodridge and Williams. Go check it out. Thanks as always for the support, guys.